So here we have the Vauxhall Astra GTC 1.4 SRI on a 15 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see that it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you can see as we approach the back of the car we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get half leather seats, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. You can see the total miles at the bottom, they are 10,786. You can change the information displayed above that by using controls on the indicator stalk, various different bits of fuel economy information and also car information as well. You can see, for example, that you get a digital readout for the speedometer at the top here, as well as some fuel economy information depending on what you want displayed there. Backing out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we have cruise control just there, and speed limiter directly below it, and on the right hand side we have stereo controls. The main stereo is over in the central area here, so you've got your main display just there. So firstly, when it comes to the radio, you can see we've got FM radio, we have DAB and AM as well. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. There's a CD player. You can plug in a device via auxiliary input as well, so plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car. Working our way down, you've got the main stereo unit, so that's how you change from FM, AM to DAB. CD player and your auxiliary input are just there, and your main volume for the stereo is that button just there. That also turns the stereo off. We then have air conditioning, so you can select the temperature with this dial, fan speed in the middle here, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or off, so it's on at the moment when that light is on, or off. That button will recirculate the air that's already in the car. And over on the right hand side you've got the rear heated screen, and that button will divert the car's air conditioning to the front screen for you. Underneath that we have the 12-volt charging socket, USB input, which you can just about see there, and the auxiliary input, so different music connections there. And then we have the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.